First time taking the big wangs out. We've got the STI here. I love the brake calipers, love the wing, love the burble. I was actually driving the Type R. We'll switch here and drive back. Very beautiful car too. I often wonder if this would be a little more of a competition if it was in blue. But we'll give you some thoughts after we drive both back to back. Both beautiful cars. Really hard to be upset at either choice here. The hood scoop on the white one's a little more menacing as it follows you, but this is no slouch either. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek at the back. We'll measure. All right, we are over here at Lake Weiss. There are a lot of things I want to talk about with this, and I just don't know where to start. It is an amazing car, but when you drive it next to this one, it makes it really hard to pick. They are both amazing cars. We have Lake Weiss as a backdrop here. This is a beautiful car, very fun car. I feel like, I don't know, we're gonna have to just get in and hash this out and see what's going on. A few things I can for sure be certain of: better economy, worse economy, better exhaust sound, better intake sound, and that's just how they're sitting right now. I find that car to ride a little better and the seats to be a little more comfy. This one's not bad though, but the seats poke me in the side because I'm big. I'm not a little stick. Hood scoop definitely goes to the Subaru. Wing height, Subaru. Front end though, it's pretty tough. I love the STI. I like the Type R. I like the red Honda badge. 20s, that can be a problem, but can also look really good. 19s, highlighter yellow brake calipers, love it. Both stop amazing, both accelerate amazing. For longevity, I'd probably have to give it to the Honda. Just a few initial things. Steering, this has lane keep assist and a few other features. This has not electric steering. It's got like manual power steering, good old running off the motor, making power that way. You feel what's coming, you feel what's going, you get a lot more feedback through the wheel. This isn't bad, but it's just not as connected to the car. This adjustable suspension, hands down, amazing. Plus R mode, kicks ass, takes names. Sport's really good, and comfort, you really feel the wheel lighten up, the throttle mapping change, and the ride get a lot better. Sport intelligent over here does change the mapping, a little more aggressive, nothing to the suspension. It does have an economy mode. I imagine this does too. I've just never used it. So again, we were just down here having a good old time. And which one had to get fuel? The Subaru. It wasn't fair, it started lower too, but this thing gets like 30s, that's 20s. I think we're 22 and this is like 33, so huge difference. Both really fun cars. I do love the front end on this. The seats I wish were maybe a little more aggressive, and I wish the Hondas were a little less aggressive. All good though. What a fun little place to pull over and talk it out. I love things like the sunroof on this. The center stack, I like the gauges up above. And we'll get in and show you some of these. Both have really good headlights. Both accelerate, both handled. This one seats 5, that one only seats 4. Just little things, but we're gonna do a video where we hash all this out, and this is just gonna be like, probably come out afterwards. This is the first real drive where we've taken them, driven back to back, and it's time to get home before it rains on them. Gotta get them back in the garage.